you know why Tutti's arms or legs turn green, like the green spot you see here on my Tutti? I'm Busy Bee from Germany. I'm a long-time Barbie collector and a Barbie dog for almost 10 years. This channel is more than your one-stop Barbie repair workshop. Well, there is a very easy explanation that I would like to give you now. I recently got a damaged Tutti and she is a perfect object for demonstration because her arm is really open. You can see the wire inside her arm, and it's this wire that causes the green stains. And that's because the wire must be copper, and when you let copper react with water or another wet thing, then you get these green spots, like you can see them on church roofs in Europe. So these green spots come into existence because the wire has met some liquid, and that's how they come into existence. The problem is you can't simply remove them. You have also some of these spots on mod Barbies because the first mod Barbies have a joint made out of metal, and the metal is also some kind of copper. The Barbie knee joints also tend to have green spots when they came in contact with any liquid, like when you have stored them many years in an attic or a cellar, somewhere where the temperature is not constant. So I hope you understand what causes the stains, the green stains here in our Tutti body. I hope you like my little video, you share, like and subscribe. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. And by the way, question of the day is, do you have any Tuttis? Let me know in the comments below.